This time on Lights Up, Lights Down, we're back with another Supra update and we're going to try and stop the brake pedal from making this noise. So the most likely cause of a noise like that is going to be a leaky brake servo. I've got a replacement used item here, which I'm going to clean up and repaint before putting in the car. Then we'll tackle getting the old one removed from the car. So bear with me while I get this one cleaned and painted, and then we'll start tackling the car itself. So before attacking the servo with a disc sander, I'm going to remove the rubber vacuum hose and cover up any areas I don't want damaged with masking tape. I'm attacking the worst areas with an 80 grit sanding disc before then moving on to a 150 grit sanding disc on the finer areas. Masking up any areas I don't want painted before moving on to the etch primer. I'm applying thin, even coats using a heat lamp to speed up the drying process. I'll then be moving on to the car to remove the old servo. Okay, I'm going to start in the engine bay area. Obviously need to get the master cylinder off. 2 bolts, one down there, another one down there. We should be able to hopefully just move that out of the way. I might undo this cable, just give me a bit more access, and then remove this hose here, and that should be everything on the engine bay side that I need to deal with. Before tackling the fixing bolts onto the dash, I'm going to give the replacement servo a quick coat of satin black. Okay, we're under the dash now. Got you on GoPro because it's a little bit tight under here, so hopefully you can see everything. Well, first things first, so I've got some dodgy wiring here to sort out at some point. It's a bit disappointing because I think I probably did that when I was much younger, so yeah, things we learn as we get older. Anyway, right, so obviously I need to get this. This is where the servo's coming in from under the bonnet. Need to remove this circlip split pin, and then we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 nuts to undo there. So I'm going to crack on with that, and then we should be able to just take that servo straight out. Everything removed, I can now attempt to pull the servo out from the engine bay side of the car. Okay, well I'm struggling a little bit to get it out. I can't quite get that far enough over. I think what I might do is just remove this pipe, and then I think that'll give me just enough room just to get that out. With the intake pipe and alarm siren removed, the servo can finally be pulled free of the car. The
With the old servo removed, I'm going to give the new servo a final coat of satin black before tackling that terrible wiring.
Whilst that paint on that replacement servo is still drying, I think I better just deal with at least that wire where it's around the wrong side of the brake pedal. Quite shocked I actually did that at some point. I think it's obviously for the amp wiring in the boot. So, I mean, I have owned this car since I was like 20, so yeah, not good. Okay, let's have a look, see what I can do. If I can just get enough on it to just get at the other side of that brake pedal without having to cut it. That'll do for now, and then I'll redo them all properly another time. Yes. Come on. Yes, that'll do. That'll do for now. And another time I'll re-look at it. If I get these, I'll get these cable tied up once the. Actually, do you know what? I'll do it now. Dry yet? What do we think? Brave enough to start manhandling that in there? Might leave it a bit longer. While we're waiting, anyone remember that? Should we do a video on that car soon? I think we probably should. Anyway, come on, dry. That's it, border waiting. Yoink! And as a well-known workshop manual would say, refitting is a reversal of dismantling. I'll be the judge of that. Right, looks like we're there then. All I need now is some keys. No, there they are. Let's see if the noise has stopped. Don't make the noise. That's loud. It's loud? Right. Ooh. No hissing. Great. Job done. Excellent. Well, thanks for watching. That's one job ticked off the list. Be more coming up on this car very soon. Catch you on the next one.